Hello, this video is about a seemingly common problem with the Nokia 5.3 devices. It is also present in other Nokia smartphones with a lot lower occurrence rate. So what happens is that the device gets stuck in fastboot mode and using any of the options from the fastboot menu does not make any kind of difference, be it recovery mode or FFTM or any other option from the fastboot menu. In general, such issues could be both related to a hardware or a software failure. However, in the case of Nokia 5.3, a lot of these reported issues happened after the Android 12 upgrade upon performing a factory reset from the recovery mode or from the Android system. That's quite a painful experience for somebody who just wanted to reset and start fresh. The good thing is that it is most likely a software issue, so flashing the phone's operating system again should fix the problem. However, the second problem is that Nokia does not allow bootloader unlocks, and in a locked state it is impossible to flash the partitions without authorization. So your only options are to either send the device to a Nokia Care Center or avail our flashing service in which we will flash your phone in a remote desktop session. Here is a demo of a service that I have recorded after fixing about 20 devices with the same problem. So I am quite sure of its success rate. I have prepared the files, drivers and any other requirements in advance to keep the video short. The video has also been fast forwarded to keep it short and watchable. In general, it takes about 10 minutes for the actual flash task to complete. However, the total time taken may be around 30 minutes, which includes downloading the files and installing any other requirements which are required for the flashing process. The process may look simple and quite easy in video, however, in the real world it is quite a time-taking process and needs a lot of effort into setting up everything and performing the required operations. Some of these partitions are quite large and take a lot of time to flash. I have fast forwarded about 10x to be able to keep it concise. And once flashing is finished, we just need to reboot the device and wait and watch what happens. And we seem to be successful. The device is at the Nokia logo and there is no chance it will fail from this place. And boom. So we have a working Nokia 5.3 after flashing, which was previously stuck in fastboot mode. So you can avail our service if your device is in a similar problem. We support our flashing service with a 100% refund assurance. That is, if we fail to flash your device or flashing does not fix your problem, then we will refund 100% of the amount paid by you. You can order the service from our website, which is shop.techmaster.com. I will leave the link in the description of this video. And if you have any further questions, you can get in touch with our live chat support, which is available via the website. And thank you for watching this video. I will be looking forward to helping you and fixing your problem in the future.